Hi, in front of me is cat S42 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now click on Got it and tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner. After that, select Settings, click I accept and adjust your wallpaper however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!